How to open a BingX account. Hello everyone. BingX is a reputable exchange, well known for its strong security and effective trading support tools. In this video, I'll show you how to open a BingX account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from BingX, visit coinaz.net/BingX. Or click on the link in the description of this video to open a BingX account. Let's get started. First, enter the email address or phone number you want to use. Next, create a password for your account. Please note that your password must be between 8 and 30 characters, and include both letters and numbers. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. This is a referral code. If you don't have one, just enter this code to get bonus rewards. Then, click Sign Up. Please drag the slider to complete the captcha. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your inbox. This is the email I received from BingX. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click here. Then check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is your verification code. Enter the code here. Then click Confirm. The next step is identity verification. Click Verify now. Click Agree and Continue. Click Start Verification. In this section, choose the issuing country and the type of document. For the document type, you can choose ID card, passport, or driving license. After selecting the document, click Continue. Click Allow to access the camera. Then place your document within the frame to proceed with verification. Next, you need to complete facial verification. Please follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. You have now completed all identity verification steps. The review result will be sent to you via email. To protect your account, you should enable two-factor authentication. First, click here. Click on this icon. Then select Security. These are the available methods to secure your account. I'll guide you through setting up security using Google Authenticator. Click here. The first step is to download the Google Authenticator app. Click Next. Then, scan the QR code or enter the key below using the Google Authenticator app. I'll choose to enter the key manually. Click Copy Key. Now, I'll guide you through downloading this app. First, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. You can choose to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose to enter a setup key. First, enter your account name. Next, paste the key you just copied. Then click Add. You've successfully added the code to the Google Authenticator app. Now, go back to the BingX website. Click Next. The final step is to enable Google Authenticator security verification. First, you need to verify via email. Click Get Code. BingX has sent a verification code to your email. Check your inbox and enter the code here. Next, enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Return to the app, copy the code, and paste it here. Then click Submit. You have successfully linked Google Authenticator to secure your account. Similarly, you can enable other security methods by following BingX's instructions. I've just shown you how to open a BingX account. Wishing you success.